Now, Stormwatch 12 weather with meteorologist Oliver Smith.
Mild temperatures today throughout the region. We were into the 40s and 50s. In fact, we were very close to 60 here in Medford. Did make it up to 59 degrees. It was 46 out in Lakeview. Not much cooler in Mount Shasta, but a little bit warmer in Montague because of the wind that you've had in your vicinity. Now, we do have rain and snow in our area, and you can see east of the Cascades some rain right now over in Klamath Falls. Higher elevation snow. We do have more rain west of the Cascades. The flow is from the southwest towards the north and the east. So this will continue in our area for tonight. You see a little bit of a breakout here. Here's another system. These lines getting close together, which indicates wind will kick back up yet again. But we're going to continue with the breezy conditions. Obviously, we have the wind advisory through 7 o'clock tonight, but it'll also stay breezy throughout the region for tonight. Forecast lows for tonight into the 30s and 40s for freezing mark for both Lakeview and Klamath Falls. Could be looking at some rain, snow mix. 40 degrees for Medford, and for tomorrow, 40s and 50s. 46 forecast high for Mount Shasta, 55 for Grants Pass. We're also going to stay pretty breezy throughout the day for tomorrow, so I wouldn't be surprised if we're looking at another wind advisory being issued in various parts. But Monday afternoon, that's when we're going to really start seeing that wind throughout the region, and that wind will also last through Tuesday morning, so that'll actually be windier than what we're looking at now, so we'll have to keep our eyes on that. Snow levels, they're pretty high right now, about 6,000 feet. They'll come down to about 4,500 feet, and not a whole lot of fluctuation between late tonight, early tomorrow through Tuesday, so we're not going to be looking at super high or super low snow levels after tonight. In fact, snow amounts, not a whole lot of snow east of the Cascades, generally 1 to 3 inches, but light amounts for Lakeview and Klamath Falls. Upwards of a foot of snow, though, for Crater Lake, and maybe a couple inches down towards Grass Lake and Siskiyou County. Now, how much rain are we going to be looking at for tonight? Maybe around 1/10 of an inch up and down Interstate 5 and out towards east of the Cascades, Lakeview. This could be snow amounts rather than rainfall amounts, but the biggest rainfall amounts will be Mount Shasta City, Illinois Valley, and along the Oregon coast, 1/2 inch to, say, 3/4 of an inch likely for tonight. So our futurecast will keep the rain and mountain snow into the area. Eventually this will change over towards showers for tonight. Get a little bit of a break tomorrow morning, and then more rain down to our southwest. Could be heavy at times, especially along the Oregon coast. Our peak rain here in the Rogue Valley should be late afternoon into the early evening, and then that shifts off towards the from the southwest towards the north and the east. Could be looking at some lower snow levels again for Monday morning, so you might be seeing some snow possible over by Klamath Falls for Monday morning, and then another little break by Monday afternoon. So here's our forecast for the Oregon coast for the next several days. Temperatures into the 50s, but rain changes over to showers eventually on Wednesday, and then the latter part of the week looking pretty dry. For Northern California, we're going to be looking at some low 50s Sunday through Wednesday, and then lows getting colder finally once we clear out by the end of the week. Klamath Basin will be looking at some rain and snow for the next couple of days, but accumulations, though, are going to be very light throughout the region. Cascades, we'll be looking at some snow into the Cascades, but we're not going to be looking at any real significant snow except for Crater Lake, but other areas not quite as much snow. But we do need all the snow that we can get up into the mountains. Here in the Rogue Valley, we'll be looking at rain throughout the next couple of days, decreasing on Wednesday. Pretty nice to end the week, though.